I've got Alexis talking fundamentals. Alexis, are you in? There you go. A big week of fundamentals. Alexis, what do you got for us this week?
All right, how's this better?
That's way clearer. Yeah.
Yep. So with one eye on the bond market, and again, I think from last week we were all looking at the possibility of whether or not there will be any interest rates increases. So far, interest rates have remained unchanged. Whether or not it continues to be so, not too sure if that will happen. But what I probably am interested in for something a little bit more, I would say, tradable, would be something coming up next week, which is the Swiss. So on Thursday next, we're of a weaker Swiss, or it could just break through. So again, we'll see what Thursday brings around. CAD Swiss, zooming out a little bit. Not as clear, I would say, but it's I think this is more on CAD strength, so I'm going to give us a miss, not as clear. Euro Swiss, again, if I just plop a line around here, you can see it's interesting levels. If we go on a shorter time frame, the daily time frame on the Euro Swiss, this could almost be like a break and retest of this level of one of the EMAs. So again, it really does point out to that a weaker Swiss might be possible. Last couple of pairs, pound Swiss, I would say, again, if we just scroll out very overbought, so there's and it might be a technical flag pattern, I don't know, but it's just the Swiss is at a very interesting level. So I will see what Thursday brings about. And finally, dollar Swiss, again, a consolidation might be another flag pattern again. And again, it points that if it does fulfill the Swiss bank's bias of a weaker Swiss, then we should see a breakout towards the upside. So interested to take a look where the Swissy goes next week, and my bias is short, at least for the medium term, or at least until Thursday, where more the SNB comes out with a bit more clarity in what it wants to do with its interest rates. That's all from me, Paul.
Thank you, Alexis. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much. I think it's going to be a big few weeks around fundamentals and direction in the market. We look forward to having you